Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So I will put y go to the left, ds go to the right. Next, we put the interpretation for the both sides. So the interpretation of this one, we have y squared over number 2, similar for the second one. Now we have the conditions. That means when s equals to number 4, y equals to negative number 3. So we put number 4 go in here and negative number 3 go in here to find the values of c. So we put this one go to the left. So we have this one plus this one. So we calculate and we got 25 over number 2. So I will put this one go in here. This is the final answer. And now we can simplify number 2 for the both sides. And I will put this one go to the left. This is the end. Thank you for watching.